Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to overlay videos in CapCut. Let's get started. Here I have created a project in CapCut and I have imported my video as well, and we're going to overlay this video with another video. So the first thing we have to do is click on overlay button right here, then click on add overlay and select the video that you want to overlay with the first video. And I'm just going to choose video from stock videos right here. And wait guys, all right, and this is the video that I want to add to my project. And after that we can click on add. All right, and we can adjust the ratio, we can zoom in, and we can also adjust the length. I'm going to cut this video, so just click on split to split the video, and after that we can click on delete. And I'm going to remove this green screen. So we can click on this section. After that we can scroll all the way to the right until we find cut out, and I'm going to click on chroma key and click on color picker like this and choose the intensity, and I'm going to drag it. All right, and let's take a look at the result guys. All right, let's play the video. Okay guys, and that's how we can overlay videos in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.